Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an Origami T, and it's a flicker. Check this out. Ooh, yeah. Alright, ready to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I used a 6-inch square of double-sided origami paper, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to fold it from an ordinary 6-inch square of common. So, you need one square, and then you also need another square. We're going to make a stencil, so we're going to make a stencil that looks like this, so it'll make the size of our T. So, just get another square. I'm just going to use this square, and these two squares are the exact same size, so 2 6-inch squares. So let's start with the stencil first. So either side up, and we're just gonna fold this edge up, and this is just one fold, so just fold this edge up. And if you want a thin T, I think you have to fold it up less, but if you want a fat one, fold it up more. I'm just gonna go somewhere in between, so I'm just gonna go about like this. Alright, make that fold even all the way across. And believe it or not, we are done with the stencil. So now get your model paper, and I'm going to make a colored flicker with a white T. So white side up, and we're going to stick this edge inside of that edge like this. We'll stick it all the way in, and you can let it stick out on the side here. And take this edge and fold it to that raw edge like this. And then make it even. Make the edges align on the sides too. And once you got it, crease that nice and sharp. Just like that. And unfold, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So rotate 90 degrees, and let's do the same thing. So stick it all the way in, and it doesn't matter if it sticks out on the side. And take this edge and fold it up to that edge, and make everything align. And make that fold nice and sharp. Okay. Unfold, and again, rotate, stick it all the way in like that, and fold it to the edge, and crease sharply. Alright, and one last time. Just like that. Okay, and now we're done with the stencil, and you can put this to the side. And now let's fold the model. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this point to, we're gonna fold it to that intersection right there. And do that 3 more times. So fold them to the intersections, so to the corners of that middle square. Just like that. Okay, and now take this point, and I get a pointer here. So we're gonna take this edge and fold it to these 2 points right here, and hold the layers down so they don't slide like that. Okay, and now on these 2 points, we're not gonna fold them directly to the middle. We're gonna fold this up. How much? Well, however long this side is, that's half as long as the top of the T. So we're making this part of the T, so I say just fold it up probably maybe about like that is good. It's to taste. And crease that sharply. And repeat on this side. And try and match what you did over here. It's harder for me because I'm looking at the viewfinder. Okay, just like that. And there is our T almost done. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of shorten this part a little bit. So let's kind of look at it from here and fold this part behind. Just about like that. It's to taste. It's gonna fold it like that. And to make sure you're perfect, just make sure these align, so the creases and these edges align. Just like that. Okay. So now we're gonna turn it into the flicker. So turn over, and you can start any side. I'm gonna do these two sides right here first. So you could just go on and shape it to taste, but there is actually kind of a guide mark for this. Just fold this up so that this is a square. Just eyeball it. Or maybe if you want, you could fold this edge to that crease right there. See, like this. It's another guide mark. And I'm just gonna make it like this. Alright, and repeat on this side. And I'm gonna match what I did over here. I'm going to fold this up so that this is a square. Just like that. Okay. And now on these two longer edges, just fold them up to taste, about like this. And repeat on this side. I'm gonna match what I did here. Okay, just like that. And now to make it fly a little bit better, let's fold all these points in too. So just fold them in to taste, shape it to taste. I'm gonna fold it just about that much, like that. Alright, increase that really sharply. And then do that with the remaining. Alright, just like that. And now, let's just kind of curve it so it flies a little bit better. I'm actually going to make these folds right here. Like that. Okay, and then now we can kind of curve it a little bit on the sides. Like this. And we are done. So, there it is. And what's also cool about it is that you can do that thing what Jeremy Schaefer does. You turn it over, and then you hold it up to the light, and it disappears. And to do that, let's kind of get rid of this white part first. Just kind of fold this edge to here. Like that. So that way that white part's not in the way. Okay. So now, here is the T, and turn over, it disappears. And then, if you hold it up to a light, like this, see, it reappears, just like that. See, just like that. Alright, now let's see how it flies. Okay, so to fly this model, it's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna hold it by the top, right here, see, by the top, and then I'm gonna flick about right here. So, remember the thing about flickers is that you have to hold it right, and then you have to find the sweet spot to flick it. So, here goes. Let's see how well it flies. Oh, yeah, not bad. Alright, again, I'll hold it by the top and then flick right here. That wasn't very good. There, that went pretty far, but it didn't really spin a lot in the air. Remember, it takes practice. Alright, I'm gonna do it one last time. That's pretty good. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.